I wanted to make a tofu scramble for my brunch as I haven't eaten yet today and I'm feeling really hungry now. But I want to pimp it up a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tofu scramble on pancakes. Let's go because I'm hungry. This recipe starts off by making some fluffy and thick pancakes by adding soy milk, flour, baking powder, vanilla extract and sugar into a bowl, adding pancake mix one by one into the pan, flipping the pancakes and creating 4 to 5 pancakes. We're then going to chop up some onions and tomatoes and add them to the pan, and we're going to fry them until they are nice and soft. It's then time to prepare the tofu, so get half a block of tofu, crush it up into little cubes and add it to the pan, mix everything together, and we're going to add our spices. So we've got cumin, paprika, but most importantly turmeric, which gives this dish this lovely rich yellow color. Then we're going to add a little bit of soy milk into our dish just to give it a nice soft texture, so we want our tofu scramble to be really nice and soft. Mix everything thoroughly together and then our tofu scramble is ready. So it's time to serve up. We're going to serve up our 4 to 5 pancakes with our tofu scramble on top, and I've got a serving suggestion for you guys, and that is in fact to add a little bit of maple syrup onto our tofu scramble to make it nice and sweet. You'll find the entire recipe in the video description, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video and please leave a subscribe on my channel. Thanks guys.